Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to link Google Authenticator to Bitget. Now, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. To link Google Authenticator to your Bitget account, launch your Bitget app and sign in. So me, I've already signed in. So I'll tap on this menu icon here at the top left corner of the screen. And I'll tap on my profile. If you look at this arrow, there's this little arrow pointing to the right. Tap on the arrow to open the user center page. In the next page, I'll tap on security tab, and there I will see the Google Authenticator option. So I'll tap on this arrow again. Look at the arrow. So depending on your phone, you'll be asked to download and install Google Authenticator. So I have downloaded and installed the Authenticator app, so I will not be downloading it again. If you're using iPhone or Android, it will bring out the option to download it. So now I'll tap on next because I have Authenticator already installed. In the next page, it says keep the key in a safe place in case you need to recover your Google Authenticator on Bitget. So there is a 16-digit key that will be given to you. Here is the key. So you have to save it and keep it safe in case you need to recover your Bitget Authenticator code in future, like they said. You can save this by taking a screenshot or copy it and save it in your phone notes or write it down on a book. So that's the code. I've copied it. So I'm being asked to enter authenticator code here. So what I will do next is I will launch my authenticator app. Here is it. Here I will see the list of configured apps that are already in my authenticator. So this one is Bitget, KuCoin, OKS, Binance, and so on. So now I'll use this plus icon. So I'll tap on this plus icon now, and then I'll tap on enter setup key. Here I will enter the key that I copied. So let me paste the key. So and I will name it Bitget. That is it. So I'll tap on add. So now Bitget has been added. So as you can see, and here is where some people find it difficult. Look at this blue thing. It's like a timer. As you can see, it's reducing, and once it finishes, a new number will appear. So this is like a timer. So you have to copy this number when it's fresh. So you don't have to be memorizing it. What you have to do is to copy it when a fresh one comes by pressing and holding on it for 2 seconds, 1, 2, and then it has been copied. That is it. So I'll wait for a fresh code now. So here is a fresh code. I'll press and hold on it. 1, 2. Then I'll go to my Bitget. And I'll tap on paste. And I'll tap next. So in the next page, I'm being asked to enter the code that will be sent to my email and my phone number. So once I enter the code and tap on confirm, my Google Authenticator will be linked to my Bitget account. So let me do that and we continue. So I've entered the code that was sent to my phone number. Now I'll enter the one from my email. So let me tap here, and then the code is 660499. And there is it. The Google Authenticator has been activated successfully. So it has been linked. As you can see, I've successfully added the Google Authenticator to my Bitget account. So if you are finding it difficult or is saying invalid code, just make sure that your date and time is correct. If your date is 1 minute late or some seconds late, it will not work. Whenever you enter the code, it will be telling you that the code is invalid. So if you are still finding it difficult, you can contact me on WhatsApp and I will assist you to set up your Google Authenticator and link it to your Bitget account. And that is all on how to link Google Authenticator to Bitget. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.